And we're going to the waterfall, the small one. Well, you can hear from my breathing, and I don't think this video will do justice, but that was straight uphill. Whew. And I'm straight out of shape. Anyway, yeah, that was a tough one. But here we go. This way. And here is a creek crossing that we'll do. Hopefully I do it without killing myself. It's not like it's deep or anything, it's just usually slick. But wow, this is beautiful. So I did bring my hiking sticks, which I typically have to do. I've had 2 knee surgeries, so alright. So here we go. Let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off. I hate that. I wish I had my tripod and stuff, but this was a last second decision and I didn't have everything, so I'll let you know if I make it or not. Here we go. And I made it. It was actually pretty simple. You know, you can, I don't know if you can see, but they kind of made somewhat of a little walkway through there. So these are new boots. May have to check out the waterproof as I come back over and see how those work, but we made it, so here we go. Wow, here she is. This is a great example of stuff in your backyard. You know, I've lived in Kingsport, minus 11 years that I lived in Knoxville, but I lived in Kingsport all my life, and I'd never been to Laurel Run Park, which is insane. And this hike, it wasn't even a mile. Let's see, my watch is telling me, yeah, it's right at a mile to get in here. And as out of shape as I'm in, it was great. Now, I took my time, and I'm gonna go out a lot quicker than I came in because I stopped and did some pictures and stuff and videoed. I'm not gonna video going out. But man, get outside. Get outside of your own city and see what you're missing, because man, I had no idea this was here. I used the app All Trails, and it led me here, and it's a great app. I should have turned my GPS on so I could have, you know, did the trail up through here where people could follow it. But anyway, great trail if you're in the Tri-Cities area and you like to hike and you want something easy. Great for the family, great for kids, great for dogs. Just have to have on a leash. Bring them. All right, so I'm not going to film, like I said, going out of here. I'm going to sit here and eat some lunch. I brought some tuna salad and watch this beautiful waterfall. And then I'm going to head out and go out a lot quicker than I came in.